Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to join a snake. Don't forget to click subscribe if you like this tutorial. The snake is very simple. I may as well start, there's nothing else to say really. What we're going to do, we're going to start here. And draw a curve like that till there. This is the end of the snake. We're drawing a snake in a so it's wrapped around. When you're drawing this, you can do as many swirls as you want. I'm just going to go round and draw its head here and come back round. Then we're going to draw one that's parallel to it like this. It's going to start off really thin and then it's going to get thicker and thicker to get to there, and then we're going to carry on and it's going to go quite wide. Till there. We're going to follow it round. You're going to draw it really wide. Like that. Then I'm gonna carry on. All the way around. We're gonna go parallel to it. All the way around. We're going to go in a little curve like this and like that. Let me just sort my page out. Okay, like that. Then we're going to draw its head here. Okay, we're going to draw its head like under there, back in like that, then back out like that, and draw two nostrils there, two eyes here, and we're going to draw its eyebrows almost like that. Then we're going to draw its tongue, and because snakes have forked tongues, right in the middle of those two dots you're going to go out and go out like that and go out like that, and there's the tongue. That was very simple. I'm going to add patterns to the snake that I'm drawing. And I'm going to speed it up because it'll take quite a while. See you about 10 seconds. And then I'll carry on with the tutorial. I've finished doing that. Now I'm going to colour it in because there's nothing else to do with the outline. That's the outline done. I'm going to colour it in now. Thank you for watching this video. If you want any future suggestions, put it in the comments of this video, and you'll have more chance of it being done as a video if you're subscribed. So I would subscribe if you want.